How to remove banners from Instagram profile. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, on the Instagram application on your device and make sure that you have logged into your account. As you're logged into your account, tap on your profile at the bottom right corner of the screen. So here on your profile, you can see there is a profile of the Facebook application or my Facebook account. Now if you want to remove this banner, simply tap on the edit profile option over here. As you tap on edit profile, scroll down and here you can see the option of banners. Select on that. You can see the Facebook profile banner that have been added. So if you want to remove it, simply tap on this cross icon beside the banner. So as we tap on the cross mark, it will ask us to remove the banner. So let's tap on remove, and as we tap on the remove banner, it will just take few more seconds and then just tap on the check mark at the top right corner. Now let's go back to their profile and there you go. You have removed it. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.